I have tried many ways to make crispy pork belly in an air fryer, and this is the one recipe that finally worked every time. Let me share this fail-proof crispy pork belly recipe that gives you not only extra crispy skin, but also keeps the meat juicy and tender. Pick a piece of pork belly with the skin on, and make sure it fits in your air fryer basket. Then use paper towels to pat it all over until it is really dry, so it would get that extra crispy skin in the air fryer. Now, take a sharp knife and cut the meat side of the pork belly into straight lines first. Then, cut again at an angle to form a crisscross pattern, creating little squares, just like you can see me doing in the video. Then, flip the pork belly so the skin is facing up. Use a skewer or a sharp knife to poke holes all over the skin, but don't go too deep, just pierce the skin. Now, flip the pork belly over again and sprinkle it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt on the meat. Then sprinkle half a teaspoon of paprika seasoning, half a teaspoon of a pork belly rub or your favorite spice mix, and a bit of black pepper for some extra flavor. And drizzle some olive oil on top. Then use your fingers to rub the seasoning into the cuts you made in the meat. This helps the spices get deeper into the meat, making each bite more flavorful and delicious. Now take some aluminum foil and use at least 2 layers so it won't tear. Rub a bit of olive oil on the foil to keep the pork belly from sticking. Place the pork belly on the foil, skin side up, and brush the skin with some white vinegar. The acid in the vinegar helps break down the skin, allowing it to puff up more and get extra crispy when it cooks. Now, let's cover the entire skin with a layer of salt. This helps draw out any remaining moisture, making the skin even crispier when it cooks. Make sure the salt is spread evenly so every part of the skin gets that nice crunch. Don't worry, the meat won't get too salty because the salt is only on the skin. We will be brushing it off a bit later, but for now, let it work its magic. You will see how this step makes all the difference. Fold up the sides of the aluminum foil around the pork belly to hold it in place and catch any meat juices while it cooks. Carefully lift it so the salt won't spill and place the pork belly in the air fryer basket. Then, set the air fryer to 125 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit and air fry the pork belly for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the air fryer basket and carefully remove the layer of salt from the top of the pork belly. The salt will have hardened as you can see here, so lift it off gently to avoid breaking it. Then, take a knife or a brush and scrape off any remaining salt from the pork skin. Make sure you brush off as much salt as possible to prevent the meat from being too salty when it finishes cooking. Then, wipe the aluminum foil to get rid of any salty fat that may have gathered. Place the pork belly back on the foil and drizzle a little olive oil over the top. Use a brush or your fingers to spread the oil evenly across the whole skin. Make sure every part is covered, as this will help the skin crisp up beautifully in the next round of air frying. Put the pork belly back in the air fryer and set it to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Air fry it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the pork belly is ready. The skin is golden brown, puffed up, and perfectly crispy as you can see here. When you cut into it, the meat is juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. It is everything you want in a pork belly. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Perfect to serve right away or slice into smaller pieces to enjoy later. If you enjoyed this crispy air fryer pork belly recipe, make sure to check out my other video where I show you how to make amazingly crispy skinned chicken drumsticks in the air fryer. You will love how easy and tasty they are. Check it out now.